My beloved people, please subscribe this channel. The hotel housekeeping department is responsible for ensuring that guest rooms, public areas, and other hotel spaces are clean, tidy, and well maintained. This department typically includes a team of housekeepers who clean guest rooms, laundry staff who manage the hotel's laundry services, and sometimes maintenance staff who handle minor repairs and upkeep tasks. The housekeeping department is essential to the overall guest experience, as it plays a critical role in ensuring that guests have a comfortable and enjoyable stay. Housekeeping staff are typically responsible for the following tasks. 1. Cleaning and maintaining guest rooms. Housekeepers are responsible for cleaning and maintaining guest rooms, including changing the bedding, cleaning the bathroom, dusting, and vacuuming. 2. Restocking guest room supplies. Housekeepers must also restock guest room supplies, such as towels, toiletries, and coffee supplies. 3. Cleaning public areas. Housekeeping staff are also responsible for cleaning and maintaining public areas, such as lobbies, hallways, and elevators. 4. Laundry services. The housekeeping department may also manage the hotel's laundry services, including washing and folding linens and other items. 5. Maintaining inventory. Housekeeping staff must also keep track of inventory and order supplies as needed. Overall, the housekeeping department is critical to maintaining the cleanliness and overall appearance of a hotel. Their work is often behind the scenes, but essential to providing a positive guest experience.